Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have one exercise. Simplifies m equal cube root of 3 multiplies cube root of 4 divided by 9 minus cube root of 2 divided by 9 plus cube root of 1 divided by 9 all powers minus 1. Do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my video from beginning to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now we go to the solution together. Okay, this our expression that m equal cube root of 3 multiply this cube root of 4 divided by 9 and minus this cube root of 2 divided by 9 and plus this cube root of 1 divided by 9 all powers minus 1. So see these videos, I will show you one trick. That is 4 is equal to squares and 9 equals 3 squared. So this I can write cube root of 3 and multiply this. I can write cube root of 2 squared divided by 3 squares and minus this I can write cube root of 2 divided by 3 squares and plus this also can write cube root of 1 divided by 3 squares and power this minus 1. Okay, now this we use the formulas that square root. So this cube roots of a divided by b is equal cube roots of a divided by cube roots of b. So now this we can write it's equal cube root of 3 and this we get cube roots of 2 squares and divide by this cube root of 3 squares and minus this cube root of 2 divided by cube root of 3 square and plus this 1 and divide by cube root of 3 squares all powers minus 1. Okay, now this I let this, okay, let a equal cube root of 2 and b equal cube root of 3. Okay, now our expression this we can write it m equal b multiply this a squares divided by b squares and minus this a divided by b squares and plus this 1 divided by b squares or powers minus 1. Okay, now this is equal this we get b and this we can write a squares minus a plus 1 and divide by b squares or powers minus 1. And for this we use the formulas that a powers minus n is equal 1 divided by a power m. So for this I can write it's equal b and multiply this we get change b squared to the overs and a squared minus a plus 1 to the denominator. We get b squares and divide by this a squares minus a plus 1. Okay, now this I multiply it, so it's equal b power 3 and divide by this a squares minus a and plus 1. Okay, now we replace b and a in this equation, so we get is equal this cube root of 3 all power 3 and divide by the cube roots of 2 squares and minus the cube roots of 2 and plus 1. Okay, now this we can do the formulas that we know. If a minus b multiply a squares plus ab plus b squares is equal a power 3 and minus b power 3. And we use the formulas anymore. That's a plus b and multiply a squares minus ab and plus b squares is equal a power 3 plus b power 3. But so this it verify this expression, and now we will multiply with this expression. And so now this we can write it equal. We can write this a is cube roots of 2 and plus 1 and multiply this cube roots of 2 squares minus cube roots of 2 and plus 1. So this we cancel this, we get 3 and multiply this, we get cube roots of 2 and plus 1. And so now this is equal 3 and multiply this cube roots of 2 and plus 1 and divide by this, we get a power 3 plus b power 3. So it's equal cube roots of 2 cube plus 1 cubes equal 1. And if we simplify this, we get 2 is plus 1 is equal 3. The 3 is multiply cube roots of 2 and plus 1 divided by 3. So now this, we simplify this, we get this cube roots of 2 and plus 1. So now we get the values of expression m, thus m is equal cube roots 2 and plus 1 is our answer. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.